So how can you make or keep the screen on for longer on the iPad? Let's explain that. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, the thing is that I have so many tutorials which I think you would benefit from. So most definitely subscribe so you don't miss them. Well, on your iPad, just go to the settings and on the left main panel, you can find display and brightness settings. So there, obviously, you can adjust multiple different things, but one of the features here is the auto lock feature. And this is the time duration after which the iPad will lock its screen, right? So if you want to keep the screen on for longer, make sure you bump up the time right here. So if you have it set to like 2 minutes, you can make it go to 5 minutes or 10, right? I personally keep it set at 15 minutes. I just find it to be the best option for me, even though there is one additional option which is titled never, and that's pretty self-explanatory. Like if you set it to never, it just means that the iPad will never lock itself unless you do it manually. So that's something you have the ability to choose as well, but I'm not the biggest fan of that because obviously it's going to drain the battery, and in case I forget to lock my iPad or something happens, it will just be on like forever. So I don't really like that. And that's why I set it to 15 minutes. So that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed with your iPad. For more videos and tutorials like this one, stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next ones.